Now next we will talk about the salivary glands. Salivary glands are also a part and parcel of the buccal cavity. We shall talk about now salivary glands. Human being has 3 pairs of salivary glands. Other vertebrates, all other mammals have 4 pairs. Whereas in human body only 3 pairs of salivary glands are present. These salivary glands are complex alveolar glands. This is again NEET point of view, MCET point of view, is an important question here now. That we'll talk about that later on in histology, but timing you remember, on the base of structure, the glands are divided into different types now. So what type of glands are they? They are alveolar, complex alveolar, or you can call them compound alveolar glands. Compound alveolar glands. So they are compound alveolar glands. Okay. Now what are the glands present in the human body? 3 are there, 3 pairs are there. First one is parotid gland. The largest among the various salivary glands in human body are the parotid glands. They are present below ear pinna. They are present below ear pinna. The parotid glands lie just below the ear pinna. They are the largest among salivary glands of human body. Now they open into upper jaw near upper molars by means of Stenson's duct. Here you should remember the name of the duct also. So the duct of parotid gland is called Stenson's duct. They open into upper jaw near upper molars by means of Stenson's duct. The next one more point, remember dear students, infection of parotid glands results in mumps. This is a kind of viral infection here now. Okay, so when the parotid glands are infected, the disease is known as mumps. The next you have another one, submaxillary or submandibular glands. Submaxillary or submandibular glands. Now submaxillary and submandibular are at the angles of the upper jaw and lower jaw. They are present at the junction of upper jaw and lower jaw. The duct of submaxillary or submandibular is called Wharton's duct. Is called Wharton's duct. It opens into upper jaw near lower incisors. Opens into lower jaw near lower incisors. This opens into upper jaw, and whereas this opens into lower jaw near lower incisors. The next you have third one, sublingual glands. The sublingual glands are there below the tongue here now. They open into the floor of the buccal cavity through several ducts. The duct of sublingual is called Rivinous duct. What do you call it? Rivinous duct. Duct of Rivinous or Rivinous duct you call it. Well, there are 3 kinds of salivary glands in human being here now. Parotid gland, submaxillary gland, sublingual gland with the respective ducts. You must remember dear students now, the duct of sublingual is called Rivinous duct, the duct of submaxillary is called Wharton's duct, the duct of parotid gland is called Stenson's duct. The largest among these is parotid gland. In other mammals, okay, apart from human being here now, all other mammals like rabbit and all of them have infraorbital glands. Infraorbital gland. This infraorbital gland is absent in the human body here. They are present below the eyeball here now. They are absent in the human body. Okay, in the place of infraorbital, human body has lacrimal gland here now, which secretes tears. Lacrimal gland that secretes tears. But in human being, infraorbital glands are absent. So remember this point here now. All other mammals have 4 pairs of salivary glands, but human being has only 3 pairs of salivary glands, namely parotid gland, submaxillary gland, and sublingual gland. Now salivary glands synthesize salivary juice. Now you must remember the pH of salivary juice. Several times this question was also asked in MCET and other exams. What is the pH now? pH of human salivary juice is 6.7. Okay, slightly it is acidic, slightly acidic, near to the 7 here now, is slightly acidic, 6.7. Then what is the composition of salivary juice? It has mucus, water and enzyme called ptyalin, also called salivary amylase. What is it also called? Salivary amylase. So it has mucus, water, ptyalin, salivary amylase. And apart from this, it has got another enzyme called lysozyme. Lysozyme is a bacteria killing enzyme, bactericidal enzyme here now. Okay, lysozyme is also present in abundant amounts. Besides all this, it has abundant number of Cl minus ions. Chloride ions are present in abundance, okay, in salivary juice, okay. So you must remember all these points, Salivary juice pH is 6.7 with the composition mucus, water, ptyalin and lysozyme. Ptyalin is also called salivary amylase with a large number of Cl minus ions. Chloride ions are present abundantly in the salivary juice, So it's all about the salivary glands of the human body,